Good day, family and friends. Welcome once again to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with your one and only Smokepot today. At this moment, we're going to be doing a garlic cream chicken, and I'm getting in love basically with boneless legs and thighs, so I'll be using that today also. So immediately we're just going to dive into it. We ain't going to be playing no games. So here's my chicken, all cleaned. As you know, I usually vinegar, lime, everything. I have it ready for you guys, so I ain't gotta waste no time. So the first thing I'm gonna put, I don't know who knows Sazon. This gives a nice flavor for this particular dish. I'm gonna use one of those. Alright, it gives a really good flavor. And as you heard, it's garlic cream chicken. So a lot of garlic will be used, but it will be balanced, right? And it will not just be garlicky. It will be real balanced, alright? So that I put a nice amount of garlic right there. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of chicken seasoning. And I'm gonna put a half teaspoon of all-purpose. Alright, a little bit of black pepper, about a half teaspoon. Alright. We're also gonna put just not too much because I want the garlic to shine the right way, and pimento have a very, very strong flavor. So just a little tot this time, like a quarter teaspoon. Today is the garlic day, and the garlic and onion goes well together, so you're gonna be seeing me using a lot of both of them for this dish. So I'm gonna just mix this up nicely, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna turn this stove on so I can continue, because I'm gonna have this chicken sitting for a while. So you stir this up really nicely. Alright, and I'm gonna go slowly, try and build my sauce. So I'm gonna be adding some butter for my sauce. I'm gonna be adding some butter. I also have this is called garlic butter. It has some olive oil in it also. It carries a real garlicky flavor and it's really nice. So I'm gonna use some of that also. Alright. We're gonna allow that to melt. While it's melting, we're gonna continue working on the chicken right here. Alright. Garlic right here. Okay. Then I'm going to be adding my seasoning. That's going to be making this beautiful sauce for us. It's nice garlic creamy sauce. And what I'm going to be using to help with that creaminess is coconut milk, coconut cream. Alright, so right here I have some scotch bonnet pepper and a little thyme. As you can see, I have some piment, some thyme, the thyme right there. Some red bell pepper, all cut up real small. But I have a lot of onion that I'll be using, because onion and garlic basically, when combined together the right way, the flavor is just out of this world. And it's the time for the garlic, as I'm saying. It's garlic chicken, and there I'm putting some a little scallion, much right here. Then I'm going to be adding in my garlic. As you can see, that's a lot of garlic. But balancing of flavors is what we do. So ultimately at the end of this day, they're going to be well balanced, just the same. So after that, I'm going to be adding some cream. Alright, well, let me get this all together first. Alright. Well guys, you should smell this flavor right now. Alright, I do not want to put the cream in too quickly. I want us to get a little caramelization, just a little caramelization of my onions. So I'm going to give that a little while to caramelize, and then I'm going to add my coconut cream right here. I have my coconut cream right here, just ready to join that party. So as soon as my onion is caramelized, we'll get back to it. Guys, my onions been caramelizing, as you can see, you know, and the smell is just out of this world. So this is how I want them. Alright. The flavor of the garlic and the onion, and it's just, so now I'm going to take it to the next level. So let me add my coconut cream right here. So now we're going to leave this. We're going to leave this to come to a nice boil, because for me, I don't know about other people, but coconut milk gotta be cooked properly or it messes with my stomach. So this is going to be cooking for a sec. So alright, I taste the coconut flavor, but it needs a little bit of salt right here. I try to stick with like sea salt. Bunch much better. So we're going to leave this to boil for approximately 15 minutes until it's coming together real nicely. At the same time, our chicken is here just slowly marinating and waiting to get involved. So next time around we'll be finishing up with the sauce and have it sit while we concentrate and finishing up the chicken. So see you in a few. So guys, just now I transferred my pot. My coconut cream is now here. It's boiling now for about 8 minutes. So in the next 7 more minutes, that sauce is gonna be where I want it. So now I put some oil in the pot. It's hot, and I'm gonna be frying my chicken right now. As I'm telling you, these are legs and thighs. I'm gonna fry them not too crispy, but I want them to have just a little golden brown on them. So I won't really overwhelm the pot, you know. Just a little golden brown on them. Guys, this chicken is smelling crazy right now. All the flavors being slowly built. Everything is slowly coming together. This is gonna be one of those meals with that nice coconut flavor that just balances properly with that garlic. Gonna be making a beautiful sauce, guys. Beautiful sauce. So as soon as I finish turning, all these chickens, then we come back and finish up with our sauce, alright? Okay guys, now my chicken is finished frying and getting a little golden brown. As I told you, that's all I want, just a little golden brown. So I'm going to add back these that I did before. Now my coconut garlic coconut sauce is all ready. So now I'm gonna add it back. So my chicken right here. I have some boiling water right here. Okay, and we're gonna allow this garlicky, creamy beauty to just hug this nice, slightly golden brown chicken. And this process now is gonna take just about 5 minutes. 5 minutes of integration, and that will be it. We're gonna be plating with some vegetables, some salad, and some yellow rice. All right. So next up, eating time. Oh guys, we're at that point. Let's turn off the stove, and that's what our beautiful garlic cream chicken looks like. I can't really explain to you how aromatic it is and how beautiful it tastes, how delicious it tastes. But right now I'm going to be enjoying in a plate, and let me just sprinkle a little fresh scallion on top of it. You know, just a little. Alright, so we have that for the picture. Alright, and now I'm going to be plating. I'm going to be using some yellow rice and some tomatoes and a little lettuce. And there I have a little bit of grapes also, and some cherries. That's it. So I'm going to get some of this nice little thing right here. Oh boy, this is smelling delicioso. That's beautiful. And just to top it off with a little bit of gravy right on the top, and it's a little more some fresh scallion on top of that. And that's it. And guys, that is my garlic cream chicken. My garlic cream chicken, and it's plated with some yellow rice, some salad, some grapes, some lettuce, with some currants. I'm going to be enjoying now, and I hope you guys. So guys, I'm now about to try or to eat for you guys, because none of you want to come to eat with me. So I'll just do the eating for now until you guys are ready to join me. Okay, let me start off right into the gravy with the rice. Coconut, garlic come together like twins. Super delicious. Come together like twin. Let me take a taste of the salad to see if it complements the meal. And the grape, as you can see, I have a grape right here. Works. The salad is not, the tomato is not too sweet. It's a bit tangy. So the grape just nudge it over the edge. Now let me get some of the lettuce. As you can see, I have some currant on it. Delicious, guys. Delicious. Now to my chicken. Creamy. Garlic is there, very strong, the onion, but because they are cooked out so properly, they ties in well. The red bell pepper, the thyme, it's just balanced. It even have a smoky flavor, and I didn't use anything with smoke just now. You know, the smoke flavor always takes things to a next level. It's a beautiful dish, guys. I hope you like it once again. Hope you like what it looks like, and hopefully one day you'll try it. Remember, it's Smokepot and Balance. Subscribe, share, like, comment. I appreciate it. All right. So stay safe. God bless. Peace out.